You're probably using about 10% of the AI you already have. Most of us open ChatGPT or Gemini, type a question, get an answer, close the tab. But the chat box is just the front door. Behind it, there's a whole toolbox, and most of it is sitting on the free plan, waiting. These are the same three big apps from our last lesson: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Last time, we picked between them. Today, we open up the one you already use and look at what's inside. I'll go through the tools by what they do for you. First, it can talk, and it can see. All of these have a voice mode. You speak out loud, it answers out loud, which turns your commute into question time. Gemini can even share your phone's camera, so you can point it at something and just ask, "What is this?" And they can all read your files. Drop in a PDF, a contract, a homework sheet, a bill, and ask questions about it. That one's free everywhere, and almost nobody uses it. We pointed the camera at Lily. It said, "A cat, sleeping." Correct. Second, it can make things, beyond text. Images in the chat, you know. But there's also a workspace mode. ChatGPT calls it Canvas. Claude calls it Artifacts, where the AI builds the thing in a side window while you watch. A document, a web page, even a small working app. And Google has a separate free tool called Notebook LM, where you upload your own notes and it turns them into a podcast. 2 voices discussing your material so you can learn it while walking the dog. Third, it can remember. ChatGPT and Claude both have projects, folders where you put your files and instructions in once, and every new chat starts already knowing your stuff. No more re-explaining from scratch. And you can use custom assistants. ChatGPT calls them GPTs, Gemini calls them gems, preloaded helpers other people have built for one job, like a recipe planner or a study coach. And here's the level most people have never touched. Some of these tools don't answer you at all. You give them a job, and they go away and do it. ChatGPT and Gemini both have a mode called Deep Research. Ask it a question, and it goes off for 20 minutes, reads dozens of sources, and comes back with a full report, with the links it used. Both give you a few free runs to try it. On the paid plans, it goes further. ChatGPT has a mode that gets its own browser and clicks through websites for you. Claude's is called Cowork. You hand it a whole task, and it works through your files and any tools you've connected until it's done. And scheduled tasks can run every morning before you wake up. Something changed there. You gave it a job, and it came back with the job done. Same rule as always, and it matters more here. All that work happened while you weren't watching, so you haven't seen where it might have gone wrong. The reports come with source links for a reason. Click a few before you use what it found. It can do the reading for you, but deciding what to trust is still your job. Quick recap. The AI you already have can talk and see, make things, remember your stuff, and the newest tools go off and do whole jobs on their own. I've put the whole list in the description. Every tool, which app has it, and what's free. That last kind of tool has a name, by the way. It's called an agent, and it's the biggest change happening in these apps right now. That's the whole next lesson. Class dismissed.